Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rini. I am from PBI 4. Now I will to read for my talks, my literal reading. Chapter 11. The title is Learning the Difference Between Play and Sport. This article discusses the role sport had in developing character and contributing to education. Lee Bridge Williams, the writer of this article, is a teacher and an autistic sportsman. 1. I like pain. This is acquired taste and can be overdone, but pain is important to me. This rather visit taste makes me a wide player of all sport and fantastic spectator. Pain raises sport from the level of entertainment to that of human exhibition, and I consider it central to human education. 2. I become conscious of the difference between play and sport when I helped organize a St. Lab football team at the age of 12. Since this was a children directed, for example, our parents didn't know where we were activity. We had to figure out what we would do. The first thing was to schedule a game with a similar team from a nearby town. 3. It never occurred to us to practice or prepare for the game except to do what we had done for years. Run around, pass the football and yell. The result was catastrophic. Our opponents were prepared. This love tired us. Half the team was injured and all of us were humiliated. Follow the leader, for it dawned on us that we were injured in a sport, not in play. If we were to play decently, let alone win, we would have to prepare, and the only way was to learn the discipline of practice. 5. Looking back, I realized that at that moment we underwent a profound experience. We entered into a social contract that bound us together with ties still strong after more than 13 years. 6. Our quarterback imposed his role on us. He was never elected captain or coach, but simply just made as a basis. His voice was stationed and his role was indomitable. He focused my attention on the importance of pain and resistance to it. 7. We had been pushed around unmercifully by a large and stronger opponent. On our popular line, he told the team he would take the ball on a very plane until we lost it. And from the looks in his eye, we all knew we had better not lose it. He was not allowed, and it seemed folly to plunge into the center of the line, especially since they had no pads or helm to protect him. 8. The first rush caught the other team by surprise, and he went for tenure. On the second plunge, they certified, but we still moved. For 16 yards, we inset forward. After the first few rushes, it was clear that our offense consisted of one play of the center. By the time we had penetrated to their 13-yard line, our quarterback we covered with dust and blood, but still giving the same command. Snap the ball to me on 3. 9. A surprising thing happened. The opposition collapsed. We moved 5, then 10, then 15 yards until the touchdown was made. 10. One boy determined to break his opponent regardless of personal agony had demolished 11 other boys, all as big as or bigger than he, and as good or better football players. Their undoing was their inability to understand how the human will can drive the body to do things that defy reason. 11. I had never forgotten that day and the lesson I learned. Like my teammates, I had a healthy fear of pain, but I realized that this fear could be overcome and that the man who could overcome it had a distinct advantage. At that moment, I became a sport nut. 12. In the year science, I have used the lesson well. Pain of one sort or another is very rare. It is painful to confront a problem in mathematics that you cannot solve. It is excruciating to roll blank paper into a typewriter and have no word come for hours. It's hard to give a lecture that puts students to sleep or worse, that is trivial but applied it. 13. These are mental journeys, but they are no less real than the cycle, and I am convinced that learning to live with interaction cycle pain can give one the strength to conquer the mental variety. onward and upward. 14. And so I have continued to punish myself. Even at the slow pitch I run, it hurts. My pace pattern in touch football are becoming fuzzy and less clean. The week get heavier to live. Even when they add up to the same total, I don't budge quite so lightly anymore in a jot turf. It is still worth it, for my will remains firm, though I must lower my cycle sight. 15. And more, I have become a painful spectator. For what I think I see a sport is the process by which young people become mature men and women. I realize that modern psychology has claimed that sport do not build character. It is true that sport may not improve a person just as a college education is often wasted. 16. I choose to teach because I thought and think that a human education can or must create better people, and I firmly believe that sport are a fundamental part of the education, to know of what one is capable, but mentally or psychically. It's to know the scope of one's freedom, and that is what education is all about. I think that's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.